Hi Naptime friends, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to be doing an infinity pour with my favorite paint, Primal Flow Pre-Mixed Ready to Pour paint. I'm going to be using their Magenta, Plum Perfect, Cobalt Turquoise, Ink and Gold, Pacific Navy, and Seafoam. So for the infinity pour technique, you just want to have 2 cups, and these are 8-ounce cups, and I'm going to be basically filling them all the way to the top just about. I found that 16 ounces is a good amount for a 12 by 24, anywhere from like 16 to 20 ounces. It's up to you how much paint you want to use. So as you can see, I'm just layering my colors in 1 cup. I was trying to do warmer tones in the left cup, but then I decided to add some seafoam, so that wasn't really the warm tones. It was just a little bit of seafoam in there, and then cool tones in my right cup here with a little bit of the ink and gold. And the ink and gold is just a really, really pretty, nice metallic gold. It's my favorite. I say that every time I use these paints. It's just really pretty. You don't need a whole bunch. Just a little bit is enough to give you that nice sparkle. So here I'm just going in with some cobalt turquoise. I'm doing a little bit of a thin layer around the perimeter of the canvas, smoothing it out. I smoothed it out off camera with my gloved hand just to save time. And then we're going to start pouring. So it's kind of like a wax on, wax off motion. It takes a little bit to get it down, but just practice and you can totally do it. This technique is a lot of fun. It gives you some awesome lines. And I haven't done one yet that didn't turn out pretty, so it's one of my favorite techniques. Now we're gonna give it a tilt and see what we can come up with. I love how that blue cup is looking. Can you see right there? It's got like a nice gradient ombre type effect with the seafoam, cobalt turquoise, and Pacific Navy. So pretty. That's another. Maybe I'll try this again with just those colors in each cup and see what I can come up with that. But the magenta with the navy is so pretty together. You guys will see in the end. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all dry too. So I just went in, as you could see, and kind of tilted it to the right, to the left, back to the right. Now I'm going to take it up to the top right corner and just try to get the paint to reach those corners. When you're pouring, you kind of always want to make sure you bring it back to the center after you tilt it one direction, so that way your lines don't get all wobbly and wonky. So yeah, I'm just going to tilt it around, get those corners covered, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. I love this technique because it gives you so many little fine lines. Can you see that pink line going through the top there at the top in the blue by the magenta? So fun. Turns out really, really pretty when it's dry too. So if you guys want to check out the Primal Flow paints and get some to try, you can use discount code NAPTIME for a discount. I really love using these paints because they're so easy, and you just have to shake the bottle and then you're ready to pour. It's awesome. If you're in a hurry, you're like, oh, I only have a few minutes to paint. Sometimes mixing your paint takes more time than your actual painting does. So that's why I like to use them. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll link everything down below and go take a peek at their website. They have like resin art pigments and wooden cutouts to paint on and just all kinds of fun stuff. So at least just go check out their site. So I'm just about done tilting this one around. I'm missing a little bit of paint on the edges. So what I'm going to do is just take my finger, dip it in some of the runoff, and touch those spots up that are missing a little bit of paint. And then I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. And here we are. Check it out. This part reminds me of water, like an ocean. And it's got that really pretty shimmer from the ink and gold sitting on top, really nice. I think I might do a resin top coat on this one, just because it brings that paint back to life so well. And that gold is so pretty under resin. I love this corner right here with those lines. It's my favorite. This little section's fun too. I'm liking how this one turned out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I will show you what it looks like in a few days when it's all dry. And here it is, all nice and dry. The colors dried nice and pigmented. Super pretty. I love this one. I think I'll hang it horizontally, not vertically, but it's got some really fun details. I love the little fine lines that the infinity pour technique will give you. It's a lot of fun, so definitely give it a try if you guys do acrylic pouring and you haven't tried the infinity pour yet. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are all doing good and you guys all had a nice weekend. And if you liked the video, go ahead and leave me a like. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I will see you guys on Friday for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.